President Trump was shot, but he will still be speaking at BTC Nashville. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video, welcome to the Bitcoin family channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. In today's video, yes, we are talking about the news. Of course, also gonna show you a couple of charts to show you why Bitcoin is now already above 61k and what the next target for Bitcoin will be. And of course, also an inspirational quote, keeping it short but powerful, because yes, it's my holiday, 7 a.m. in the morning, salam. Now let's jump into the news. Bam! The news for today, guys, President Trump was shot on stage. You can all see it. There was one person killed, I think two were heavily wounded. Trump gone off with just some scratches at his ear. He's reportedly in good spirits and he will still attend Nashville BTC conference. So he even said once that he's gonna back the dollar by Bitcoin, guys. Yes, I think if in the United States people want Bitcoin, then they should definitely vote for Trump, because Biden is definitely against it, as we have seen in the last 4 years. Fully against it. Now, Trump is for Bitcoin, so you should all vote Trump, in my honest opinion, because of that reason. We can see here that David Bailey has spoken to the president's team. He is in good spirits and excited to see you all in Nashville and deliver a speech that is heard around the world. So I think that President Trump is going to announce something very important on that day, on the 27th, to the Bitcoin community, that could shock the whole world and it could lead to another huge push in the Bitcoin price. So be aware that President Trump is going to speak on a big Bitcoin conference in Nashville, and he's probably going to give some big news about Bitcoin and the United States, which of course could be very positive when he will be elected to president. I can't believe that people in the United States would even vote still for Biden after mumbling and stumbling, and after calling Zelensky Putin, and after calling his vice president something else. I don't know, he doesn't know anymore what he's saying, and sometimes he's shitting his pants and all that stuff on stage. I wouldn't want that guy to be the president, so yeah, I don't think that the United States has another choice aside of Trump. But that was the news for today. Now let's see, guys, how the news can affect the Bitcoin charts. Let's quickly jump into the charts to show you exactly what is happening to Bitcoin now and what I expect to happen the rest of this summer, even till the end of this year. The first chart for today, guys, is this 4-hour chart. We can see, of course, a beautiful buy signal over there. That buy signal again led to some profits for the group. Also the VIPs are in profit. We could have been a little bit more profit, but we were stopped out by our trading stop. But still, good profits made for the group. And at the moment, Bitcoin is above that green line. That green line I drew already weeks ago when we were talking about the price at that time, because that was the support line. That support line normally becomes a resistance line. At the moment we break these resistance lines with a full candle, which is probably going to happen in 2 hours and 70 minutes, that's when this candle is going to close. That is the moment that we can become a little bit more bullish again. That's the moment we can go for the new targets for the Bitcoin price to the next level of resistance, guys. So for me, very important level to break is this 62,800 US dollar level. From there, we can take it back to 66k again, where the next level of resistance will be. Look, this 4-hour chart shows us, yeah, it's very bullish, that breakout, because else, if we won't see that breakout, we can see another bearish flag pattern playing out, and that would mean that we would drop down even lower, back to the 47 to 44k levels. So now we are trying to break out of that pattern to show, hey, no, that pattern is not going to play out. We are going to go the opposite. We are going to go up again. So it's still a battle. We still need to see if it really plays out, because the top of this channel is around 62k. So if we break that blue line on the top, that is the moment that we will go higher and higher again, and that we can visit maybe 60k to maybe even 70k levels before we drop down again. Because I still believe the summer will be boring. I still believe the summer will be between 60 and 70k, up and down, and then after August, September-ish, I believe we will go higher up again to new all-time highs. This chart is very important for all the altcoin lovers. For all the altcoin lovers, we are now finding and retesting that very important line that you can see there, that blue line, the 61.8 line, and the Fibonacci retracement tool. This one is very important as we broke that already, and we are now retesting it with the altcoin market cap. So this is the total market cap without Bitcoin. We are retesting that line, and we can see that in the 2-week chart, there's a 2-week chart, the Gaussian channel just turned green, which means mostly that the alt season can start. We can see these altcoins recovering now and going up again. Because every time when that Gaussian channel is red, that is still very bearish. The moment we turn green, that is the moment the alt season could start. And if we need to believe the trend line, then that alt season could go all the way up to almost $6 trillion market cap. The previous market cap was around 2.4 trillion $. If we could times 3 this one, we can arrive at even 7 trillion $. That's around that red line. So yes, very positive for the altcoin market. The Gaussian channel on the 2-weekly chart is turning green from red. There's a very bullish flip. We can also see the retest of the price of that very important Fibonacci level, 61.8. So this means if this retest will hold, we can expect another beautiful altcoin market now. So that's for all the altcoin people. Yes, I believe that the altcoin market will turn bullish from now as well. Same like Bitcoin. And if we zoom out completely, guys, then we can see this beautiful chart. And this chart will teach you to zoom out. Look, the top there in 2011, $29. We fell back to $2. Then we went to $1,200. We fell back to almost $200. Then at the halving we were at $650, and at the top we were at $20,000 before going back into a bear market again and falling back to $3,000. Then at that next halving we were $8,500, and that brought us all the way up to a top of $67,500. Again a bear market to $15,700, guys. And from there, guys, we build up against to a new halving price. That halving price around $63,000, I believe. And at the moment we are again around that halving price, guys. Now, from that halving, if you look to the left on the chart, what did we do every and each time? We never went down, guys. That first dotted vertical line, what happened after that first dotted vertical line? We went up massively. What happened after that second dotted line, around $650,000, around $652? What happened after that line? We went up massively. What happened after that third dotted line? That was around $8,000. We went up massively. What will happen after this fourth dotted vertical line? Guys, after this fourth red dotted vertical line, we will again go up massively. Don't be mistaken, this bull market is not over, it's just beginning. Yes, I made a video that there is very bearish signals for the summer, which is true. There is bearish signals for the summer, which means not enough power to break out, or even not enough power to go sideways and dip a little bit more. But after summer, guys, we will go up massively again, as we have always have done that after the halving. Every time again, it's the same concept. We see the halving, we see a very boring summer of 50 to 150 days, and we take off. Halving, very boring summer of 50 to 150 days, and we take off. Halving, very boring summer of 50 to 150 days, and we take off. Simple as that. Zoom out, don't freak out, stop crying, start buying. I hope you really enjoyed all of these charts again, guys. Yes, amazing charts. You can see that Bitcoin is a little bit volatile at the moment, which is beautiful to trade. Also, we made some profits again with the VIP group. Bam, this trade, bam, that trade, 2 trades in profit again, guys. When it comes to Bitcoin, please educate yourself. Teach yourself to zoom out. Look at that bigger picture. It's not about this 2K, 5K, even 10K volatility that we see at the moment. It really doesn't matter. The thing that matters is that Bitcoin will go above 100K within the next 18 months. And it will go above $1 million within the next 8 to 12 years. $1 million per Bitcoin within 8 to 12 years. 60K now could turn into $1 million within now and 12 years. Please show me another asset on this world that can give you that return on investment. Now, let's quickly jump into the last part of the video. The last part of the video, guys, is the inspirational part, and today this inspirational quote will also help you to understand why you should buy all these Bitcoin dips. The way I see it is, if you want to see the rainbow, you need to put up with the rain. It's simple as that. It needs to rain first before you can see the rainbow. Bitcoin needs to dip first before we can see a huge bull market. Every time again, there will be a bear market with a beautiful crash, beautiful waves coming in, guys. And every time you should be buying that bear market bottom. Just like I told you to buy around 16K this time, I told you this is the bottom, go all in. You should be buying this dip to be able to enjoy the full-on bull market. And that's with everything in life. Of course, it can't always be ups. You need to have downs to feel these ups. It's not always beautiful in my life, it's not always beautiful in my wife's life, it's not always beautiful in all our lives. It's always ups and downs. But you need to put up with the rain to be able to see that rainbow. There's a Dutch song, there's a rainbow in the sky. They did put up with some rain as well before that song came out. But it's very important that you understand this. Life is not just about only positive facts. Life is also about all those battles, all those things that you need to overcome. And because of overcoming them, you will grow as a person. And because you grow as a person, all your goals that you want to achieve, you will be achieved. And at the end, you will be seeing that rainbow. Maybe you will even see where that rainbow started. Probably at the beginning of that rainbow is a pot with Bitcoins. So go there, collect those Bitcoins, and give me my part, because yeah, I gave you the tip. Oh, by the way, congratulations to all the Spanish followers with winning the European Championship football, guys. Well deserved. You were the best playing team. Yes, the last 2 matches you were not that strong, but still strong enough to take that cup. Really cool. I was celebrating it yesterday a little bit here on the street, as you can see over there. But it was well deserved. Spain official European Championship football. Also, guys, I didn't win the pool. There was another guy that won the pool. CryPTOCURRENCIES won the pool. CryPTOCURRENCIES won $500 worth of Bitcoin because he joined our European Championship pool. Let me know down below if you like these kinds of pools, because then I will organize more of these games so that you can win $500 worth of Bitcoin every time, again and again and again. Oh, that was everything for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, leave a comment, let me know what do you want to see in tomorrow's video. I wish you an amazing day and see you tomorrow again.